RJT2, drop that shit so I can drop my thoughts, drifting away and depress all within listening range. Nah, but for real, I got so much shit on my mind, from fake motherfuckers to my future. I'm trying to get in line and doing hip-hop in this life and time ain't no nice and fine. At times I feel like my whole life's a rhyme full of punchlines and jokes, fuck-ups and punch-ins. It's like I just can't get shit right the first time or something. When no one knows your name, your vinyl still in stores. Once you get a little life to arguing over who feels it more. We got 16-year-old netheads buying garbage, wanting to keep you for their personal private artists. We don't do shit for the clubs. As far as 45s go, RJ's the archaeologist digging them up. And I'm the saint sent to vinyl with cassettes to bash. And it's for life until my final mic check is cashed.